Hello, RC builders, subscribers, fans, and followers. Welcome to the next and the last video of my PC build and for the equipment. Yeah. Today, in this video, I will assemble and build the computer, and I only can make the video at one time. I cannot make it again in German, so it stays in English. Yeah. Just for your information, after the intro, I will directly start with an hyperlapse, so you see it very fast building. I hope it works, and I hope you enjoy it. So, enjoy, enjoy it.
So it's time for the first start. I take the switch on. Okay. And then start button. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is heavy.
Hello everyone! So this was the last video of my PC build, and I promise this was the last one outside of the RC building and my main content. And yeah, back to the roots, back to topic. I have here behind me the next project, the next small project, and you'll see it in the next videos. And also I have made a video about building a Blue Bricks model, and I show it to you also, and I going more back to the RC themes, so the RC content. So thank you for watching my PC build, and I hope it worked really well. Also my new equipment, I tested it out also all the time. It maybe takes a few videos before I have the right, how would say, the right position, the right, not installation. I have not timed the right equipment. You know what I mean. So, long, short, no. Long take, short words. See you next time. I hope you enjoy it. I will try my best to make this content more professional and more quality for you. So have a good time. We see us in the next video. Bye.